Hello everyone, I'm Robert Nichols from Boston Trust Realty Group, and today I want to talk to buyers who are looking to purchase in the spring market of 2016. So one of the biggest areas I think that a lot of buyers don't really understand and don't focus on is your pre-approval letter. And I bring this up because I recently had someone call me. They weren't my buyer, they weren't a client of mine. They were working with, we have a mutual friend, and they wanted to talk to me about what they need to do to make their offers competitive. And one of the first questions I asked is, so what lender do you have your pre-approval with? And the first thing they said was Bank of America. I'm like, oh man, that explains a ton. So with Bank of America, they typically take the longest to close. There's a very bureaucratic red tape type process where, you'll put the property under agreement and it would just be like pulling teeth trying to get the appraisal done and trying to get through the steps of getting your loan approved so that you can close in your home. And real estate brokers, realtors, real estate agents, whatever you want to call us, collectively as an industry, we all know for the most part that we do not want to see approvals from Bank of America. There's nothing wrong with Bank of America, but with rates being as low as they are, in my opinion, I really don't think they want to lend right now because they're not going to make a lot of money on these mortgage loans. And I think they do it because they have to. They offer it because they have to, but ideally it's not the thing that they're looking to make their money on nowadays. And one other thing I learned is that I think for the entire company of Bank of America and National Bank, they only have like 28 underwriters, which is just ridiculous when you have thousands or hundreds of thousands of people submitting applications and needing to get their loans approved. So with that said, one of the first things you can do to make your offers stronger in today's hot spring market is to get pre-approved by a local savings and loans bank or a smaller lender, or talk to your real estate broker or real estate agent and ask who they'd recommend. We don't get kickbacks or anything like that from the loans, and we really just want to close a transaction. So it's definitely a referral you can trust because the motivation is for that transaction to close and for you to have a great experience and a good experience working with the lender that's referred to you. So, typically locally, we work with lenders like Fairway, which is a pretty good bank here in the Massachusetts area. And I think pretty much they're almost in every state, even Wells Fargo, like just any lender other than Bank of America actually is probably going to give you a higher probability of success when submitting your offers. So I hope you found this information helpful and have a fantastic day.